Today, we're looking at some of the best grooming tools every man should know about. If you want a cleaner trim, more precision, and long-lasting performance, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Number 3. Wahl Aqua Blade Deluxe. This device isn't just a trimmer, it's a complete grooming kit that takes care of everything. Let's start with the blade. Thanks to its angled design, you get a much closer and more controlled cut. Whether you want a clean shave or to shape your beard, the blade delivers sharp and smooth results every time. And with Aqua Blade technology, it's fully waterproof. Use it in the shower, rinse it off afterward. No problem at all. Now, the battery is another big win. This trimmer comes with a lithium-ion battery that's twice as powerful as most machines. You get up to 2 hours of use on a single charge, so no more worrying about running out halfway through. As for the accessories, the box includes a full set, a precision T-blade, a detailed trimmer head, a special attachment for ear and nose hair, plus 8 guide combs and a 10-position adjustable guard. Perfect for beard, hair, mustache, and even body grooming. It also comes with a travel case, making it super convenient to take with you on the go. In short, this is the perfect choice for anyone who wants one machine to handle everything. It's powerful, durable, and designed with every detail in mind. Number 2. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 isn't just a trimmer, it's a fully equipped personal grooming kit. It comes with 21 different tools and attachments. Whether it's your beard, hair, or body, there's a dedicated solution for everything. And the best part? All of these attachments are neatly organized in a premium, durable storage case. No mess, everything right at your fingertips. When it comes to beard care, this trimmer really stands out. With 0.2mm precision settings, you can lock in the exact length you want. Plus, Smart Beard Sense technology scans your beard 125 times per second, automatically boosting power in denser areas. So even if you have a thick or bushy beard, it cuts through effortlessly. For body grooming, there's a special manscaping attachment that protects your skin while giving you a smooth shave, safe to use even on sensitive areas. The blades are stainless steel and self-sharpening, staying as sharp as day one for years, and they require no oiling. What's in the box? You'll find a wide hair-cutting head, a precision shaver, a nose and ear trim, body grooming attachments, multiple guards in different lengths, and more. Basically, it's like bringing your barbershop home in one kit. Charging is simple too. It comes with a USB-A cable, so you can even charge it from a power bank. The only thing not included is the wall adapter. In short, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is a powerful all-in-one solution for anyone who wants complete grooming. From beard and hair to body and detail trimming. Beardscape V2 by Brio. The standout feature of this device is its ceramic blades. They're 4 times harder than regular steel, which means they stay sharp much longer. Even better, the low-friction design keeps the blades from heating up and gives you a smooth, glide-like cut without pulling. If you've got thick or coarse facial hair, you'll notice the difference from the very first trim. Another big plus is how quietly it runs. You know those early mornings when you don't want to wake anyone up while getting ready. This trimmer is perfect for that. It also offers a very flexible cutting range, from 1mm up to 18mm. And with fine adjustments between 1 and 1.9mm, you can easily achieve that perfect stubble or a clean short beard look. Battery life is seriously impressive too. You get up to 4 hours of runtime on a single charge, and the digital display shows exactly how much power you've got left. So you can finish your grooming routine without worrying about it dying halfway through. The Beardscape V2 also gives you 5 different speed settings. That means you can go for a fast trim or a more controlled, precise one, at home or while traveling. And here's the part that gives peace of mind. It comes with a 2-year warranty and strong customer support from Brio, making it a reliable choice for long-term use.